Ever felt like your money just vanishes into thin air? You're not alone. But what if there was a tool that could help you take control of your finances, $1 at a time? YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is more than just budgeting software. It's a financial philosophy wrapped in a powerful app. It's designed to help you break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build a life you love. Key features: a deep dive. Budgeting basics, reimagined. YNAB's core feature is its budgeting method. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about giving every dollar a job. You allocate funds to categories like groceries, rent, and entertainment. This intentional approach helps you make conscious spending decisions. Tracking every dime. With YNAB, you can track every penny that comes in and goes out. It's like having a personal finance assistant that's always on top of your finances. You can categorize transactions, reconcile your accounts, and stay on top of your spending habits. The power of budgeting. YNAB's budgeting method is based on the concept of rollover. Any money you don't spend in 1 month rolls over to the next. This allows you to build a buffer and prepare for unexpected expenses. Goal setting, simplified. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a down payment, or retirement, YNAB can help you reach your goals. You can set specific targets and track your progress over time. Stress-free budgeting. YNAB's user-friendly interface and intuitive design make budgeting a breeze. It's not about complicated spreadsheets or number crunching, it's about making informed financial decisions. The YNAB difference. What sets YNAB apart from other budgeting apps is its focus on behavior change. It teaches you how to budget effectively and empowers you to take control of your finances. By adopting YNAB's principles, you can reduce financial stress, build an emergency fund, achieve your financial goals, live a more fulfilling life. Is YNAB right for you? If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling overwhelmed by debt, or simply want to improve your financial situation, YNAB could be the answer. It's a tool that can help you transform your relationship with money. If you're ready to embark on a journey towards financial freedom, give YNAB a try. It's an investment in your future self. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.